Once your garden's set up, you can leave it until it's time to maintain it or to clean it. So the easy is just unplug the power of the lights and the pond, remove your light, gently remove your seam and just put it aside. Take out your pump. Remove your pond. Give it a clean and put it back. Each one of these little ponds has been decorated, spray painted and sealed for UV and protection. But you'll get little pieces of dirt sometimes sitting on top of these stones. So I simply get a brush and in your kitchen sink, just give it a wipe over and put it back in. Clean your base, because all water will attract some algae. Okay, put it all back. Tuck it in, refill it, put your seam back on top, put your lighting back in, and the easiest way to clean it. Each of the scenes is quite solid. It's on a solid base, covered with stone and glues and sprayed. And then to dust it in your kit, you'll just get a little brush to dust it off. And that's the best way to clean your scene.